Which of the following is the primary function of the loop of Henle in the nephron? The right option is beta. Reabsorption of water is the primary function of the loop of Henle in the nephron. What is the role of phosphofructokinase in glycolysis? The right option is beta. Catalyzes the conversion of fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Which of the following is not a function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? The right option is Charlie. Protein synthesis is not a function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is a function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. In which phase of the cell cycle does DNA replication occurs? The right option is beta. DNA replication occurs during S phase. What is the primary function of ribosomes in cells? The primary function of ribosomes in cells is protein synthesis. Ribosomes contain two subunits, larger subunits and the smaller subunit. Which of the following is a characteristic of type 1 diabetes mellitus? The right option is beta. Autoimmune destruction of beta cells. What is the main function of enzyme DNA helicase during DNA replication? The right option is beta. Unwinding of the double helix. Which of the following statement about prions is true? The right option is delta. They are infectious proteins. What is the role of Calvin cycle in photosynthesis? The right option is Charlie. Fixation of carbon dioxide. Which of the following is not a component of human innate immune system? The right option is beta. B cells. What is the function of transfer RNA during protein synthesis? From the name, it is evident that the function of transfer RNA is to transport amino acid to ribosomes. So the right option is Charlie, transporting amino acids to ribosomes. Which of the following is the function of the plant hormone auxin? The right option is delta, regulating phototropism. What is the primary function of the lymphatic system? The primary function of the lymphatic system is immune response. Right option is Charlie. Which of the following processes is responsible for genetic variation in populations? The right option is Charlie. Meiosis. Meiosis is responsible for genetic variations in population. What is the function of the enzyme reverse transcriptase to retroviruses? The right option is beta. Transcription of viral RNA to DNA. Which of the following structures is involved in the storage and release of calcium ions in muscle cells? The right option is Charlie. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. What is the main function of the sinoatrial node in the heart? The right option is Charlie. Pacemaker activity. There are basically two nodes in the heart. One is SC node and the other one is AV node. Which of the following is a function of the liver? The right option is alpha. Production of bile. What is the role of messenger RNA in protein synthesis? The right option is alpha. Carrying genetic information from DNA to ribosomes. Which of the following is a characteristic of prokaryotic cells? The right option is beta. Lack of membrane-bound organelles. What is the main function of the hormone insulin? The right option is beta, lowering blood glucose levels. Which of the following is not a function of central vacuole in plant cells? The right option is Charlie, DNA replication, whereas storage of nutrients, maintenance of target pressure, and waste storage are the functions of central vacuole. What is the primary function of the enzyme catalase in cells? The right option is alpha, breaking down hydrogen peroxide. Which of the following is a characteristic of active transport in cells? The right option is beta, movement of molecules from low to high concentration, and it requires energy. What is the role of enzyme DNA polymerase during DNA replication? The right option is Charlie, synthesizing new DNA strands. Which of the following is not a function of skeletal system? The right option is Charlie, regulation of body temperature is not a function of skeletal system, whereas protection of internal organs, production of blood cells, and support and movement are the function of skeletal system. What is the main function of enzyme ribonuclease? The right option is beta, breaking down RNA. Which of the following is a function of plant hormone cytokinin? The right option is Charlie, stimulating cell division. What is the primary function of small intestine in the digestive system? The right option is alpha, absorption of nutrients. Which of the following processes occurs during the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis? The right option is Charlie, production of ATP and NADPH. What is the function of enzyme topoisomerase during DNA replication? The right option is beta, relieving supercoiling tension. Which of the following is not a characteristic of viruses? The right option is beta, can replicate independently. This is not a characteristic of viruses. So contain genetic material, yes. Lack cellular structure, yes. Infect host cell, yes. So these three are the characteristic of viruses, but they cannot replicate independently. So the right option here in this case is beta. What is the primary function of mitochondria in cells? The right option is Charlie, ATP production. Which of the following is a characteristic of the adaptive immune system? The right option is Charlie, specificity for particular antigens. What is the role of enzyme ligase in DNA replication? The right option is delta, joining Okazaki fragments.